Welcome guys, so today I am with JBL Live Pro Plus True Wireless Sound Earbuds and I'm going to show you how quickly you can perform the hard reset of this headset. So as you can see, I'm connected, everything is fine, but if you have any problems you can simply perform the reset. So how to make it? You have to find some kind of the little small and tiny object like this one, and you have to input it right here in this hole, because right here you can find the button. That's the reset button. So at the first you have to close the case, next open, and when the indicator is turned on, just input it right here, click and hold. Okay, it's too late, one more time, input it right now. When the indicator is turned on, keep holding, and as you can see right now it's blinking 3 times on white, and then we can simply remove this button. So right now, as you can see, I'm not connected anymore. When I try to press on them, as you can see, I got new pairing request. So we have successfully been removed from any connection. So how to pair them right now? Just open the case, remove earbuds, turn off Bluetooth, turn it on back, and you will find your headset right here. Of course, you cannot select the left earbud, you have to select True Wireless Sound without left or right. After a few seconds we are successfully connected, and that's how we can make it. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.